Wola, 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 Ndwana. I hope you are still keeping well and welcome back to South African TikTok Moment. So, Mr. Som, Kaka, I can do whatever. This dude is really impressing South Africans at the moment. After making remarks to those that had asking him to vote for Sweet Gulova during the Big Brother times, Usomizi found himself on the wrong side of South Africans. Anyways, he got major backlash for that. Shortly after that, it was Scott Mapuma's turn. He was trending for being very rude and arrogant towards his fans. This led to his fans ignoring him during a performance that he had at the Cotton Fest. Somizi then made a video addressing his fans. Take a listen to this.
I am here to humbly want to make sure ukuthi I never be on the wrong side of you all, because what you guys did to Umnyumtwana is evident that South African fans will show you who they are. But to my fans, let me tell you, anything you want. When I see you in the street, you ask for a picture. Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me. Tell me what you want me to do. I will worship the ground that you walk on. Tell me what you want me to do. If you want a picture, then after a picture, you want to give me your bills, the bond, the rent, the car installment. Nkona, my fans, naka makhadi ami, nayine mali oyifunayo oyithola, naka makhadi ami, ngizoswiper for as long as I'm on the right side of you guys. Ngizoswiper. If ufuna choreography umshado wakini, choreographer anything you want as long as I'm on the right side.
So not only did he say it, but he seems to be staying true to his word. Just take a listen and a look at this.
Sondel?
Oh, it's Sunday.
Yeah, ngifuna uba evidence. Batshele.
Uthi ngifuna.
No, angithi uthe ubona ivideo yami izolo.
When you said whatever your friends want,
They get. So I asked you, what do you want?
anything.
I don't sell. I don't
My
have
job, I cannot.
hair loss. Hair loss. She just lost out on an opportunity. She could have asked for a plane ticket to anywhere in the world. Eh? Basabuza leyo mbuzo leyo. So uluzile.
I'm still gonna think about it.
Okay. I tried. You see, I keep my word. Try me. I'll see you. I'm in Mpumalanga now. I'm going to Moses Mabhida.
So Mpumalanga seems too shy to make their request. Godwa Sisi, losing out on such an opportunity, I feel sorry for you, Twana. Let's watch what happened at Moses Mabhida Stadium.
Oh, Pepe! All right. Nimnandi. Ngicela ukunixoxela indaba engayazi. Ave besilisa utshwala emuva Nkosi yami. Ngoba ngena abazali. Kodwa Nkosi yami ayikho into engicasula njengale fence. Ngoba ngizifuna lapho mina. Gize. Hey, oh, ngizifuna kini khona manje, ngizifuna lapho. Ngicela utshwala bandla. Oh Nkosi yami. Inkonkone ehluphekile Nkosi yami. Uphuzani yile owazathanda lethi. Uyisilethe utshwala tata. Omntanami uNkulunkulu akusise. Ima kancane. Yes, ima. Bongo izane bag yami. 5,000 rand wakho time. ngifisa ukuba nemali Henny ngaleta mituve ngifisa ukuba Henny. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Big Zulu and Shava!
Somizi seems to be a man of his words. How I wish I could also bump into him and make my request.